Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. 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 Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
Neeraj,
ma'am.
Sai Swaroop, Charvik,
Good afternoon.
Akshay, Jayesh, and someone named 7AD something else. Please change your name, children. Rafi is new to class. Good afternoon. You have got a new friend. Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm fine, thank you, Sai Swaroop.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
నువ్వు కూడా వాడు చెప్తానే ఉన్నాడు ఏమో నాకు తెలియదు నేను ఇక్కడే
Ma'am.
ఉన్నాను నాకు చెప్పలేదు అని అప్పటికైనా కనీసం చెప్పు అని చెప్పి
Okay, students, yesterday we have completed our lesson, no? Today, we're going to do the evaluation part. Okay, are you ready to do it with me? The new students, I'll just give you an instruction, children. If you click on your screen, you can see the options, mute, video, share, participants, and more. Go for option more and you can find chat option, CHAT chat. Click on the chat and you can ask the questions or you can send the answers to my questions using the chat option. The old students might be knowing this option, but who are new to the class, I'm just giving a hint for them how to use it. So, okay, without any delay, let's move to the evaluation part. What is the first Roman in evaluation, children? Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Okay, let's see how you learned or listened the lesson. First question, children. Gita and Bhangra are folk dances of dash. Punjab, A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Assam. What is your answer? Send me through a chat option, children. Akshay, what are you waiting for? Send me the answer. Gita and Bhangra are folk dances of A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Assam. Okay. Jayesh Reddy is saying it's A. Charvik also agrees with A. Neeraj also says it's A. Okay, the majority option is A. Muhammad Rafi. Good, Nana. Good going. Let's see. Let's keep the option A and let's submit the answer and check it. Yes, of course, Hashita and Sai Swaroop too have sent the answers. Note it down, children. A is the correct answer. Gita and Bhangra are folk dances of Punjab. Hope everyone completed writing that. Gita and Bhangra are folk dances of Punjab. Okay, let's move to the second question. Here comes. The paintings at Ajanta and Ellora describe the life of Dash. A. Rama, B. Krishna, C. Shiva, and D. Buddha. No, Neeraj didn't completed writing, I think so. I'll show him the question once again. Gidha and Bhangra are the folk dances of Punjab. Okay, many of the options I got it from Harshita, Charvik and Sai Swaroop. Harshini is telling it is B. Krishna, but Sai Swaroop, Charvik and Jayesh Reddy are saying it's option D. Buddha. What happened to my Akshay? He's not replying today. He's a little bit busy with some other work. Sri Charan, answer to the questions. Okay, let me keep the majority of the answer is D, even from Sri Charan, Muhammad Rafi too. Okay, let me place the options D and submit and check it. Yes, children, your correct answer, D is the right answer. The painting at Ajanta and Ellora describe the life of Buddha. The paintings at Ajanta and Ellora describe the life of Buddha. Okay, children, let's move to the third question. The classical form of music in North India is a dash music. A. Mohiniyattam, B. Hindustani, C. Kathak, and D. Carnatic. The classical form of music in northern India is dash music. Mohiniyattam, Hindustani, Kathak, and Carnatic. Charvik is telling it is D, but Neeraj is telling it's B. Let me get answers from a few people, so I'll just keep the majority option. Muhammad Rafi is also telling it's D. How active Muhammad Rafi is, even though he is joining the class late, he was being very actively answering the questions. Sai Swaroop is telling it's B. The voting percent is equal for B and D. Let's wait for another answer, another option by someone. What about Neeraj, Jayesh, Sai Charan? What do you think so? The answer is the classical form of music in northern India is dash music, Mohiniyattam, Hindustani, Kathak, and Carnatic. Okay, Neeraj also telling it is B, Hindustani. Haha, but Chavik again replied, okay, let me give Hindustani. Yes, Hindustani is the correct answer, children. The southern part of India will be having the Carnatic music, and coming to Mohiniyattam and Kathak are not at all music forms, they are dance forms. Yes or no? So B is the right answer. The classical form of music in northern India is Hindustani music. It is Hindustani music. B is the right option, children. Okay, let's move to the option fourth question. The classical dance form of Odisha is called A. Manipuri, B. Odissi, C. Kathak, and D. Ghumar. The classical dance form of Odisha is called A. Manipuri, B. Odissi, C. Kathak, and D. Ghumar. Hussein, you all are replying it is B. Okay, I got replies from many. Chavik, Rafi, Swaroop, Hussein. Neeraj. Okay, let me place the option B. The classical dance form of Odisha is called. Yes, children, Odissi is the correct answer. The classical dance form of Odisha is called Odissi. Okay, let's move to the last and final question from Choose the Correct Answers. Zardozi and Pulkari are examples of types of dash done in India. See children, Zardozi and Pulkari are examples of dash. Is it a dance form, music forms, embroidery, or handicrafts? Neeraj is telling it's B, music forms. Let's get some more answers from your friends, Neeraj. Okay, Jayesh Reddy is telling it's C, embroidery. Rafi agrees with music. Charvik and Ritesh. Hi Ritesh, you're late to class, but it's okay. But we got the equal votings between music form and embroidery. Okay, I'll go with embroidery, children. Yes, embroidery is the correct one. Zardozi work will say when you can ask your mamas, women at your houses, they'll purchase some saris with Zardozi work. So this is a kind of embroidery, children. Zardozi and Pulkari are examples of types of embroidery done in India. Types of embroidery done in India. Fine, children, let's see a scorecard. Congratulations, children, you have scored 5 correct answers out of 5 questions. Very good, my dears, very good. Have you all completed writing the choose the correct answers, children? We have completed the Roman A in evaluation part, the choose the correct answers. Now, let's move to the matching part. Okay. I'll just, no, Charvik didn't note it. No worry, Charvik, I'll send you the answers. I'll send you the pics, you can note it down. Okay. Let me see the matching, children. Here, I'll just tell you the words which are present in column A and column B. Then we'll start doing it. First, let's see what they have given. And the column A, left side column, you can see Rajasthan, Ajanta and Ellora caves, Manipur, Kerala, North India. These are the options they have given in column A. And coming to column B, wall painting, Ghumar, Kathak, Thangta, Mohiniyattam. These are the 5 options they have given in column B. Wall paintings, Ghumar, Kathak, Thangta, Mohiniyattam. Okay, let's begin the matching, children. In the previous classes also I told you how to do the matchings. We have to select the easy one. We should not go directly with the first one. We have to select the easy one and then we have to start. If you observe it, children, these all are the places they have given, like Rajasthan, Manipur, Kerala, and North India. These are all the places they have given. The only one which is related to painting is Ajanta and Ellora caves. This is not a place, children. They have given about describing about Ajanta and Ellora paintings, caves. So the answer related to all these is a painting. You can see a painting option. So I'll choose Ajanta and Ellora to the wall painting. Okay. Next, let's move. What it would be? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is related to children. Can you say me any option for Rajasthan? Option for Rajasthan. B, C, D, E. What is the option? D. Charik is telling it's option D. Let's wait for some more replies. Okay, Sai Swarup is also telling it's the Tangta. Okay, Jaish Reddy is also D. Okay, these many members are asking me to place D. I'll place Rajasthan for option D. Okay, let's move to Manipur. What is the option for Manipur? B, C, and E. What is the option for Manipur? Manipur. Sai Swarup is telling it's Ghumar. Jaish also told it's Ghumar. Harini, your option D is done. Okay, many of our students need we need Charvik. This all are telling it's B, Ghumar. Okay, let me place in C. Manipur goes for Ghumar. Okay. What about Kerala? The options remaining are C and E. Option for Kerala children? Okay, Jayesh Reddy is telling it's C, Kathak. But Neeraj is going with Mohiniyattam. Charvik is telling it's C. Akshay also replied starting C. Hussein also telling it's C. Oh my God, these many members are telling Kerala is related with Kathak. Okay, why don't I go with your answer? But I think it's a Mohiniyattam. Even though you have replied it as C, I'll keep it C. And the last final one remaining is North India. The obviously option would be the remaining one, Mohiniyattam. Okay, let's submit, check it. Oh my God, all the answers are wrong. See, I told, even though I just kept for your satisfaction, children. Because whatever the answers told by you, I have to place it. Let's see what are the correct answers. See, the first one, Achinta Ellora Caves, is the correct one related to wall paintings and Rajasthan. The dance form in Rajasthan, a folk dance form, it is Ghumar. A folk dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar. And North India, the Kathak is famous, but the Kerala is related for Mohini Attam. I just told now I want to keep Mohini Attam, but according to your agree, I kept Kathak. Kerala is related to Mohiniyattam and Manipur is related with Tangta. This is the correct answers, children. These are the correct answers. Rajasthan, a folk dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar. Ajanta and Ellora caves are wall paintings. Ajanta and Ellora caves are wall paintings. And Manipur is for Tangta. Kerala is famous for Mohini Attam. Mohini Attam. You have to by heart and write all these kinds of spellings, children. Even these all are new to you. There is no objection, no choice for you. You have to definitely learn all these because you're growing up. Next, North India is famous for dance form Kathak. North India is famous for Kathak. Okay, children. Evaluation part, choose the correct answers and match the following is done. We are moving for Roman C. Roman C, children. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the first question, children? What is a heritage? What is a heritage, children? And what are the types of heritages are there in India? What are the types of heritages are there in India? See, children, I'll share you the answers for these 5 questions and you have to note them down in your classworks. Isn't it? All the fill in the blanks, choosings, matchings, whatever I used to tell you in the valuation part, please note it down in your classworks and as well as do it as your homework. Coming to heritage, children, heritage includes cultures, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance and music, art forms, coins, etc., which have been passed down from our ancestors. Ancestors means the old people. In the first paragraph of the lesson, you can see it. In the first paragraph of the lesson, you can see what is heritage. These are heritage includes culture, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance, music, art forms, and coins that have been passed down from our early generations. You can write ancestors in the place of early generations. And here, India is a rich in heritage, and India is a land of rich culture and heritage, children. And our national heritage comprises the environment that surrounds us, include animals, birds, planets, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features found in the country. These are all comes under our natural heritage, children. But our traditional style of heritages or cultural heritages includes, children, places of worshipping, architecture, inscriptions, pottery, dance, drama, music, painting, and some literature, languages, food habits, dressing styles, house. These all comes under cultural heritage. But this comes under natural heritage. The answer for the first question you have to write from the first paragraph, this entire paragraph, second paragraph, and up to here. The answer for the first question, children. Even though I'll share the answer, but I'm just explaining you where you can find in your textbooks. Coming to the second question, write a note on the architectural diversity in India and give examples. The architectural diversity you can see under the subheading of architecture. This is all about the answer for the second question, children. Forts, palaces, temples, Manchesters are the pillars built by our ancestors, help to understand the lifestyle better. To understand the lifestyle better. This entirely comes under the answer for the second question. Because you are growing up, children, the answers will be a bit lengthy, but don't worry. You have to understand and then write it. It will be easy for you then. Coming to the third question, write a note on the cultural traditions of India. Cultural traditions, children. This is same for the first question. What is the third para? You look in the first question. First question you wrote the third para, no? Just this is the answer for your third question. Write about a cultural heritage. Till our traditional style to cultural heritage. This is about the answer for your third question. About fourth question, children, write a short note on Indian dances and musicians. Dancers and musicians, children. They asked the names. They didn't ask the styles and representing the states. They just asked the names. You have to write the names of some dancers. See, some of the famous classical dancers are, write the names of the dancers. And coming to musicians also, you can see some of the famous vocal. These two paragraphs comes under famous musicians, and these two lines comes under famous dancers. This is about the fourth answer, children. And fifth one, what do you know of the languages spoken in India? Okay, this would be in the literature part, children. Go for the literature part in your lesson here. There are totally 22 languages. Yes, Harshini. From here you can write it, children. There are totally 22 languages recognized by Constitution of India. From here to the last paragraph you can write about the languages. Hope you can know about these 5 question answers, children. And evaluation part is also done. The children who possess the textbooks, they can see the textbooks. Just now I told what are the answers, from where to where you have to write it. Who doesn't possess textbooks, please don't worry, children. I'll send you the pics related to these questions. I'll send you the answers of these questions. You can write it. But children, these are a bit lengthy answers. Please write in a point form. Keep first point, second point, point wisely you can write. It will be easy for you to study, answer and write. When you present it also, presentation means when you write in the examinations or in the classworks also, it looks very neat, lengthy and nice. Please use the red pen for the question, blue pen for the answer. Keep a date at the corner. You're a grown-up child coming for the grade 4. You know how to write the question answers, right? Use a multicolor glitters also. Write the lesson name, Roman name, and question with red pen. Leave one line and start the next answer. After completion of first question answers, draw a line and go for the second question. Isn't it clear, children? Or still you have any doubts in today's topic, children? Okay, Charvik. Good. From others, do you still have any doubts, children? No. Okay, good. Hope you understand it. Okay, children. Thank you. See you in the next class, children. Bye.